Dr. Megumi, and I am the Director of the Student Enrichment Opportunities Office at San Francisco State University. I'm also a professor of biology, and I've been here for over 20 years. My current research focus is on the cellular mechanisms of chronic pain using an insect model, and I've been teaching within the physiology curriculum for the past 20 years. The Student Enrichment Opportunities Office has been active for over 30 years, housing training grants dating back to the 1990s, and I've been the director of this office for the last year and a half. But I've also participated in student training grants for the last 15 years, and over the last 5 years, I've been the program director of both the Bridges to the Doctorate and the NIH RISE grants. So I'm excited to tell you about the training grants and the outcomes that we have seen with these grants. These have been pretty amazing. And we have seen a huge impact on the diversity of students receiving PhDs across the nation and moving into a variety of different STEM careers. So a little fun fact about myself, I was en route to a music degree until I took my senior biology class in high school, where I had this amazing female, strong-minded mentor who showed me the excitement of the sciences. And I quickly changed my application and moved into the University of Toronto's biology program in Canada, where I grew up. I don't play the cello anymore, but I have taken up the ukulele, and that's been my savior during COVID. So I'm very excited to talk to you on October 1st about student enrichment opportunities in STEM at San Francisco State University. I'll see you there.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Dr. Keith Trujillo. I'm professor of psychology and associate director of the Office for Training, Research, and Education in Sciences at California State University, San Marcos. I have been at CSU San Marcos for more than 27 years, and I was recently awarded emeritus professor status. I am very much looking forward to this webcast. In this webcast, which is focused on NIH institutional training grants and research education programs, I'll share my experience with our latest program, the Undergraduate Research Initiative for Scientific Enhancement, also known as URISE. I've been involved with similar programs for more than 20 years, and through this work, I've had the opportunity to work with hundreds of students, with more than 300 pursuing graduate studies in the sciences. The NIH has programs specifically aimed at institutions like the CSU campuses, with a focus on educating the next generation of leaders who will help diversify the biomedical and behavioral sciences. At CSU San Marcos, we've been fortunate to receive funding from these programs for the past 2 decades. A fun fact about me is that I'm a graduate of the California State University system, and like many faculty and staff here, returned because of the exceptional education I received. I attended Shasta Community College before transferring to CSU Chico, where I received degrees in biology, psychology, and chemistry. I look forward to seeing you soon.
I am Dr. Judy Brosslyn. I'm a full professor at California State University, Long Beach in the Department of Biological Sciences. And I've been a professor here, I've been a faculty member here for 26 years. I'm happy to be part of this webcast because my Bridges to the Doctorate program was recently funded by the NIH. In fact, our funding started on August 1st of this year. I had to resubmit the proposal after receiving reviewers' comments and learned much during the process. My presentation will discuss how I used reviewer comments to strengthen the proposal and the steps involved for getting a program off the ground. Fun facts about me: I love to swim and hike, and I adore my Australian Shepherd mix, Roxanne.
Hello, I am Sonsoles de la Calle. I am a professor of health science and currently chair the program of health science at California State University, Channel Islands. I have been a professor here only 2 years. This is my 3rd academic year, but I got tenure at Cal State LA in former phase in my life. I am very glad to participate in this webinar because I would like to contribute to the success of my colleagues seeking funds for their research. And I will be talking to you about the current NIH-funded program that we have, where we are studying ways to increase the number of students from underrepresented backgrounds that seek careers in biomedical research. So we'll be talking about that later, and I definitely will be available during the webinar or afterwards to provide any feedback or share any information anybody would be interested in obtaining. Talk to you in a bit.
Well, hello, everybody. My name is Robert Luis Villanowith. I am a professor of biochemistry in the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry at Cal State LA. I've been here since 1995, and a year after that, in 1996, I got my first Bridges to the Doctorate grant, which is an NIH-funded grant in their Bridges program, and I've had it ever since. So that's like, 26 years, something like that, 25 years, I guess, of continuous funding. And this program supports master students in chemistry and biochemistry and biological sciences who intend to get a PhD degree. And it's been quite successful given the longevity of the program. And so I'm happy to share the best practices that we've come up with over the past 25 years in getting students ready for doctorate programs. And I'll tell you about the key features of my program and then what presumably led to its longevity. So I look forward to the program. Bye-bye.